What would you think the skills would be needed for a claims professional or desk adjuster?
Definitely oral skills, just talking to insureds to be able to go over and explain a situation. So while they don't have to write an estimate, they should know how to read an estimate. They should know what they're looking at to be able to adequately explain to an insured their coverages. You know, this part of your roof isn't covered for this reason, and this is why. It says in the policy, this is why. So they need to know computer skills. Obviously, we use a lot of different programs and software. We use different systems for different things. So computer and, you know, being able to talk with someone and getting on an insured's level because, you know, they're going through a hard time and we have to know how to be empathetic and sympathetic to what they're going through and being able to explain everything to them to where they're comfortable and understand their claim.
Yeah, I mean, just to piggyback on top of that, I mean, I think customer service is probably the biggest aspect of being a desk adjuster because I would say 90% of your time is spent on the phone or writing emails to policyholders, representatives, contractors, things like that. So you kind of you have to know how to explain things, how to, you know, be personable so that way you can get the information you need and kind of help them along through the process. But yeah, I mean, computer skills, customer service, being able to speak well over the phone, explain your thoughts, you know, precisely. I think those are all great qualities to have.